Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making bacon and cream cheese stuffed chicken. Alright, I'm starting out here in a bowl. I have 8 ounces of cream cheese and I have 6 slices of bacon I crumbled up. Now to that I'm going to add in a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. This is going to be the stuffing for our chicken. And if you go a little over in your cheese, that's fine. It's no big deal. And I'm going to add in a teaspoon of granulated garlic. I'm going to blend this well and set it aside. Okay, now in a second bowl, I have a cup of Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. I'm going to add in a half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to blend that together. I'm also going to add in a teaspoon of granulated garlic. Get that all mixed together. I also have 2 eggs that I scrambled. And I have a cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to get the chicken stuffed and then get it coated and breaded. Alright, I have 4 chicken breasts here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the thick end of the chicken. We're going to butterfly these. You just want to, without cutting your hand, you just want to cut down the middle. Not all the way, but just about all the way. What we're doing is we're creating almost like a pocket. We're splitting it in half and then we're going to stuff it with our ingredients and then bread it. Right now I have my chicken all split. I'm going to start out with that cream cheese mixture. And guys, I took that and I put that in the microwave for a minute before I stirred it up to make it more manageable. You could let your cream cheese sit out and warm up to room temperature if you have time. And I'm just putting this cream cheese mixture in all of the chicken breast, trying to evenly distribute it depending on the size of the chicken breast. Alright, tempted to lick my finger, but I don't want to do that because we have that raw chicken here, so we're not going to do that. Okay, let me get my hand to rinse quick. Okay, now I'm going to do one for you and then I'll do the rest and I'll bring it back. I'm going to take a chicken breast and we're going to fold it over. And I'm going to dip it in the flour here. I'll move this over out of the way. I'm going to dip it in the flour. This is going to make the egg stick to it, and I'm holding it shut so our filling doesn't come out. Okay, now I'm going to dip it in my egg. And I guess I should have got a bigger bowl for my egg, but we'll make this work. My other chicken breasts aren't quite this big. And then we're going to take our cheese and breadcrumb mixture and just go ahead and coat the chicken well with it. Something just fell off the shelf by itself, guys. The house must be haunted. Alright, now I'm going to put this on the tray and I'm going to do the rest of my chicken. Alright, now that my chicken's all coated, I'm going to put that in a 375-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes until the chicken reaches a temperature of 165 degrees. I'll check that with a meat thermometer to make sure it's done. Alright, my chicken's done. I left it go for the 40 minutes and I checked it with the meat thermometer. We're between 165 and 170, so we're good. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some buttered broccoli and put a little bit of extra Parmesan cheese on top. Now I'm not going to serve a whole chicken breast for a serving because these things are gargantuan. This is the smallest one there was. I'll probably cut these up and share them amongst the family members. Let me cut into that. See how nice and creamy that is. Let me cut it a little deeper where we have more cream cheese. chicken's cooked through. Nice and crispy crust on the outside. Give that a taste there, guys. That's really good, guys. Chicken's really moist, tender. That cream cheese is creamy, and you get that bacon and the garlic powder you put in there. And then that cheesy coating, then the cheese in the middle. That's really delicious, guys. And it really wasn't that hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Bacon and cream cheese stuffed chicken. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.